Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online from Chad. So let's get started. So Chad is having 1000 unemployed people. Okay, so that can make money online. So 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 making money online without any investment and any capital is through freelancing. So freelancing best website is our Fiverr. So Fiverr we can see. So Fiverr is a marketplace where we can uh, sell the services for to the business owners and potential buyers. So here we can see, okay, so here are the gigs. Okay, so what to sell? You can just sell your video editing skills, your uh, you can just do the comment on the YouTube videos, comments on the vlog, then you can just do graphic designing, then game designing and many others. So Fiverr is a very great platform to use. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.